Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could recover any type of data deleted or lost from an SSD if it's internal or external, and a hard disk if it's an external one or an internal one, a USB flash drive or an SD card. So to begin, you need to download and install a software called MiniTool Power Data Recovery. I have tried this software. This is not a paid commercial review, and believe me, it will work in most cases to recover any kind of data. As a second step, if your device from which you have lost the data is an external one, you want to make sure to plug it to your computer before to begin. If it's from the local disk C, then you want to make sure to plug a USB flash drive or an external hard disk so that you can save the retrieved picture to it, because the system doesn't suggest that you recover on the same disk or the same device from which you are trying to recover the data. So as a next step, we'll just click to run our software. So here I have plugged a USB flash drive, an external one, and I have named it test, and its size, it's 1.85 giga, and I will try to recover the data from it. So here is the MiniTool Power Data Recovery software. It opened, and here I have the list of all the drives plugged. In addition to that, we have the option to recover from the desktop, from the recycle bin, and also from any selectable folder or manually from another device. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select this test device and click scan, since it's small in terms of size and it will not take long time, so that the video is not too long. As you can see here in the bottom, the system is making its scan and it's searching for the files. The operation usually takes 1 to 5-6 minutes based on how big is your device and how much data was on it. So I will just pause the video here and we'll continue once this first step is completed. So once the entire process has been completed, you will be able to see the number of files available here. As you can see, the system has found that there is 862 giga or mega available and in 218 files. We're going to click on the arrow on the left, and here are the deleted files. Here is the lost files, and here there is the existing files in my device. So I invite you to click on the deleted files and to navigate through and see the documents which you want to recover. If you don't find your documents there, you can always navigate the additional files, the lost file sections, to try to find out the file which you would like to recover. So for the purpose of this training and to keep it short, I will just pick up one picture to be recovered, and we're going to select or click save. And here we will select the device where we want to save it, and it has to be another device. So I'm recovering from test, that's the device, and I will need to recover to another device. So I'm selecting, let's say, SD card, or we can actually local disk desktop. So we're going to select the current desktop. If you are recovering from desktop or local disk C, make sure to recover to an external device. Click OK, and here it says recovered 563 kilo and view recovered. It has created actually a separate file, so we can go ahead and close this, and it has created a separate file for it on my desktop, and here is the image. I will click on it to open, and here the image has been recovered. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.